Hello students, welcome to the online class of STBE. This class is for class 5, subject English. Myself Brijita Prohit. In this class we are going to learn today semester 1 chapter 2, the poem Land of Storybook. This poem is about a child's imagination. The imagination for hills, the forest area. The poem is written by Robert L. Stevenson. So, let's start the poem. Robert L. Stevenson, born in 13 November 1850 and died in 3 December 1894. His famous books were Today we will learn The Land of Storybook. At the evening when the lamp is lit, around the fire my parents sit. They sit at home and talk and sing. They do not play anything. Now with my little gun I crawl all the dark along the wall and follow round the forest track away behind the sofa back. There is in the night when none can spy, all in my hunter's camp I lie. There are the hills, these are the woods, they are my starry solitude. And that the river by whose brink the roar lion come to drink. I see the other far away as if firelit camp they lay. And I like to an Indian scout around that party prowled about. So when my nurse comes in for me, home I return across the sea and go to back with backyard look at my dear land of story. Begins with the speaker describing how in the evening when his parents are doing nothing but sitting around and talking, he escapes behind the sofa with his playing gun. From his place, he jumps into the land of storybook by his imagination, which he had read earlier. From that place, hiding himself, the boy experiences the entire world and entire nature. At the time, exploration thrills him as he able to see lions who came to drink water, Indian scouts with their guns and campfire, high heels, and the starry night. The evening eventually comes to an end, and his nurse comes and tells him it's time for bed. He longs to remain in camp of books and says he will return the next day. So student, hope you understood and like well. Have a good day. So students, now the summary of the poem. At the evening when the lamp is lit, lit means lighted. In the evening, it was winter evening, so the lamp was lighted in the evening. Around the fire my parents sit. The parents were sitting around the fire because of winter. They sit at home and talk and sing. What were parents doing? They were sitting simply and talking and singing and do not play anything. So, as the parents were busy and they're talking, the boy was feeling bored. So, they were not playing anything with the boy. Now, with my little gun, I crawled all the dark along the wall. So, boy what was doing? The boy was doing with his playing gun, he was crawling on the wall and follow round the forest track away behind the sofa back. So at the sofa back, he assuming that he is in a forest track, he is being hiding himself with his gun behind the sofa, but he is assuming that he is at a forest track. There is in the night when none can spy. What do you mean by spy? Spy means keep watch on. Someone keeps watching us on our action, that we call spy. All in my hunter's camp I lie and play at books that I have read. So at the sofa back, the boy was assuming that he is on a forest track. It was night time and he was assuming a kind of nature or a kind of forest track which he had read in his books. So basically the boy is in his imagination at the forest track with his playing gun and he is like assuming that nobody is watching him by hiding behind the forest track or forest. Till it is time to go to bed, there are the hills, there are the woods, there are my stars, solitude. So now where is the boys in his imagination? The boys in his imagination at the forest track. It was a very full of stars night. Starry means full of stars, and solitude means being alone. So the boys in hill area, there are many trees, a full of stars night, and he is alone. And that the river by whose brink the roaring lion comes to drink. Brink means the edge of something, the edge of river. So it was a forest area. So obviously there are many wild animals. So in his imagination, he is in that starry night, lonely, nobody with him, and at the edge of a river, one lion comes to drink water. I see the other far away, as if in fire lit, an Indian scout. So many things what he see, there are far away where the Indian scouts, Indian soldiers are standing by their position with the fire, and they're partly prowled about, and they are partly prowled about. Prowled means roam around quietly. What does soldiers in our border area with their machine gun? They just roam here and there quietly. They watch us about our safety. So what till here in boy's imagination, what he has experiences, the boy experiences a forest area where he is hiding himself behind the trees. There is a hill area and very full of star night. He is alone in that place. By the time a edge of river, a lion comes to drink the water. But far away, he also saw a soldier, Indian scout, who is standing by his position with the some with a little firewood. So when my nanny come in far me, whom I return across sea. So by the time what happens, that the boy is in his imagination. By after a few seconds, his nanny comes and calls him for sleep. So what he says, so when my nanny come in for me, whom I return across sea. So what he is saying, that in his imagination he is returning home from the far sea, and go to bed with backward looks, and go to bed with all the memories which he imagination at my dear land of storybook. So the boy sleep with all the imagination which he experiences in his early reader storybooks. So students, the boy was imagination about the forest track, hiding behind the tree with his playing gun. What he experiences, the hill area, and that is a very full of star night. He is alone. By the time he sees a lion who comes there to drink water, a little bit he walks far away, he see a Indian scout who is standing with his gun and doing his job